continuing our studies of the Nataraj, and I've included an article that my teacher Tim Miller wrote many years ago that I still love to read and share with my students, and it's called The Alchemy of Yoga. And he uses the Nataraj as he describes how this practice of yoga, especially Ashtanga Yoga for us, is a tapas practice. That's part of the niyamas, understanding that to create fire and to burn is also to purify, which is a symbol, again, of the Nataraj. In the article, Tim describes the dance that Shiva's doing, the cosmic dance, and how in one hand he's holding a fire, which represents destruction. We talked about this last week. And in the other hand, he's holding a drum. And that drum, like the Native American, that mimics the beating of our heart and that connects us to the heartbeat of the world, is the symbolism for creation, for new beginnings, for possibility. And so this dance he's doing surrounded by flames is a dance of purification and the dance of new beginnings, possibilities that grow from being challenged, being under fire, doing something that takes great discipline. So in our yoga practice, which takes great discipline, we do a tapas practice because as we begin the sun salutes, we begin to warm our bodies up, heat our bodies up so that we can sweat out the impurities. At the same time, we are activating our breath in a way that we're like human windmills. And we're generating this energy, like generating the fire. And we're also learning to harness that energy, which moves us into the third body, which is our thinking mind or our emotions or our spiritual self. And we learn how to harness our thoughts as well, to focus, to be disciplined. And in our practice of Ashtanga, we are able, every time we come to the mat, to do a little bit of work in this tapas, of this cleaning and this cleansing, so that when we finish our practice, we feel not only light and purified in our physical bodies, but also our energy is light. And oftentimes our thinking is light. If you came into your practice and you're like, I'm so upset about something, 99% of the time you leave feeling a little bit better, because there's a method, there's wisdom behind the asanas that we do, the vinyasas, the sequencing that we do, and how everything has a breath quality to it. So join me in reading the article by Tim Miller, The Alchemy of Yoga, and let's consider ourselves alchemists, that we're going to take the base metal of our bodies, of our energy, and of our thinking, and we're going to turn them into gold.